you're getting up in the late afternoon, and you seem embarrassed that all the day is gone, and you see what the fuck people who are drowning on the streets in the sea of blood, and everybody's praying on their knees, and you see the smoke and lightning, and you light your cigarette. Look outside and see the world go down tonight. I see the world go down tonight. The smell of sulfur and the army of the damned are clear indicators the last judgment is at hand. This is the rage of God or Satan or whoever is in charge, but the fact is that something's going on and this is large, and you lean out of the window being all self-satisfied. It's alright, because the world goes down tonight. I see the world go down tonight. People born in purgatory, monsters fight and rage. It's the greatest show anybody ever put on stage, and the knights of the apocalypse are riding through the sky, flying high. Go out and kiss the world goodbye, because the world goes down tonight. I see the world go down tonight. I make the world go down tonight. I see the world go down tonight.